Good morning, everyone. Right now on Tentafu, it's 11:35 a.m. on Sunday, March 29th, 2020. Now for today's announcements. Starting today, Tentafu has its very own campsite. The campsite is a place for visitors to experience the beauty of our island and the kindness of its residents. I can't think of anything more fitting for Tentafu. I'm sure we'll get plenty of visitors, so take a moment to wander over and spread that island charm. And of course, we'll be holding a special ceremony to celebrate the happy news. If you are interested in participating in half the time, please check in with Tom Nook at the Residence Services. And with that, I'll get back to work supporting you in your enjoyment of our island. Greetings, everyone! Thanks. It's Timmy, okay, 57,000, yes. Greetings, everyone! My name is Meloetta, and welcome back to some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. In the last episode, we finally got to see the completion of the residence services. And as you can see, my garden is looking a little bare today. Mostly because if I come over here, and if this worked, and it actually I think it's just a red one. I am attempting to do some gardening over here. Trying to make a few hybrid flowers that are not I keep forgetting what these ones are called. I think they're called lilies. But I'm actually gonna pick this up and put it somewhere else because I want it right here next to my flowers. I'm trying to get different hybrids. This one I accidentally plucked the petals off, so I'm trying to regrow that. So I'm trying this little method right here, and I'm seeing how it'll go. And Mabel's back. Good morning. Thanks for stopping by. How can I help you today? Workout top? I guess I'll check that out. I definitely want that cowboy hat. That hat looks nice. Tiger face dress? Ooh. I want this hat. Outback hat. I guess these pants look nice. And I guess I'll get these shoes. Leather sneakers. Okay, whatever. Just give me them. I don't know what pleather is, but it sounds nice, I guess. Alright, I think I'm done here. I guess I'll wear this for today. I'll be a workout cowboy. Look at this weird outfit I am wearing. What am I wearing? I look ridiculous, but whatever. I'll wear this for today. Growing collection, clothing, okay. Hi, Rodeo. Our morning's neat. Tentara is the perfect size. Too big to see across, but too... Okay, you already said that, though. I look so ridiculous, but I don't care. I'm rocking this. Also, we found that... Okay, that actually looks kind of weird. Put onto New Leaf, but New Leaf, New Horizon, I meant. We found a nice looking flag online, and we chose that to be our flag. I still think I look really ridiculous. I look so dumb, but you know what? I don't care. Meloetta, hello. Our campsite is impressive. I'm already getting inquiries and applicants from tourists who want to stay here. It won't be long until we start getting some guests. When we have a guest, a tent will go up at the campsite, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. Even though we weren't able to officially start business at the campsite yet. What we need is for visitors to be completely wowed by the wonders of life on our island. I'd appreciate anything you can do to help improve the island. Yes, do some weeding, plant some flowers, place some outdoor decorations to enhance the scenery. Yeah, I definitely need to start weeding the island, because I still haven't gotten to that. Anyway, let's do this. Let's do another ceremony, because I said yesterday we would do the rest of them today. Nook's Cranny. That means I'm gonna take a picture in this dumb outfit. Oh well. At least I'm next to Tammy and Peanut. Now then, welcome to our dedication ceremony honoring Tentaru's quote-unquote brand new Nook's Cranny. It's been here for a couple days. Thank you. Tentaru truly started out as a desert island, but there simply wasn't much here. But now, it's slowly beginning to develop thanks to the tireless efforts of, well, everyone really. Is he just gonna say something, the same thing? I'd like to ask Timmy and Tommy to say a few words as representatives of the new Nook's Cranny. Timmy, Tommy, if you would, please. Thank you, Tentaru. Because of you, we've opened a proper shop. My brother and I will work hard to make it the best shop, and I hope we can count on your business. Yes, thank you both. Next, a few words from someone who made many valuable contributions. Okay, he's gonna say the same thing. And to add, good for us. Yes, indeed. Thank you for your heartfelt and encouraging sentiments there, Meloetta. Everyone, please get ready to join me in bringing this ceremony to a close. Also, those wishing... Okay. It's just gonna be the same thing, really? With hope for continued growth and to celebrate Tentaru's beautiful Nook's Cranny. Hooray! Thank you all. This concludes our ceremony. Please do take care on your way home. Alright, just a few more. And then we'll be done with ceremonies for a little bit. Actually, maybe I'll save the others for another day. I want to see what the Nook shop has. Because yesterday I forgot to... Oh. Alright. Nothing special, to be honest. I want to take out all my money. 57 to... just max them out, please. Because I'm working on something that I want to hopefully finish off. Last night I started development on something that I want to get done. I feel like Phantom would really actually like these pants, to be honest. This is Lloyd. Hiya, having a great morning, pal? Right now I'm taking donations for a brick staircase. Our goal is 100,000 bells. Currently we have 98 bells in donations. We still need 99. I'm a little bit short, but I'll just go ahead and I'll donate everything I have because I'm that kind of Meloetta. Alright, how much do we need? $8,000. I can do that. So, by the time tomorrow, let's actually see this online right now. There's not. But, by tomorrow, we should have a new staircase. So that we don't have to keep using the ladder to go up and down. And I'm pretty sure I see a tent. Yep, it's Phantom, of course. Although he is a bit late. But better late than never, I suppose. I'll just put this here because I don't really need these anymore. Oh yeah, I still have the money tree. Oh, speaking of money tree. How much is these? Wow, exactly 8,000. Okay, I guess I was gonna say let's go to an island and pay off the money. Pay off the money that we get from there, but we're still gonna go to an island, but I guess I don't have to pay off the money. It's still a little weird, considering that there's no... Lord's the only gyroid I've seen so far, and it's rained a couple times during, our playthrough. But it is a little weird, because, normally in Animal Crossing New Leaf, gyroids would show up all around town after it started raining. Well, that was just a regular mantis. I need to pay more attention when I walk around white flowers. Because I don't want to risk, losing the orchid mantis again. I'm just gonna put these into storage. Speaking of storage, I think... Oh! I also got this from, Norma. And it looks really nice. Too bad I wanted to see if I can customize it to see if there's any other colors, but there's not. You can't customize it, sadly. Where is... There it is. Also, I heard that if you get enough of these, you can craft something. And, I don't know what that something is. So... I guess, I guess I'll just keep on collecting them. Daisy May! Ah! Hello there, I'm Daisy May. You know my Gram Joan? She seems to know an awful lot of folks, so I always ask. Anyway, she said I'm old enough now to help out with the family business, so here I am. Oh, I forgot to tell you the family business. It's selling turnips. Have you heard of Jones stock market? Well, I'll be here every Sunday morning with a fresh crop of turnips. So come say hi anytime. Phooey, Daisy May, you forgot the sales pitch. Grams told me enough times I remember how it goes by now. So, you want to hear about how Jones stock market works? Sorry guys, it's early. Okay, you can do this. So, turnips are cute. Oh, what? I apologize. So, turnips are a cute little root vegetable. That are good for pickling or stewing. Heck, Graham always says that stock market turnips are for selling, not eating. I always forget. Anyway, if you time things right, they can be mighty nutritious for your bank account. Should I keep going? Sure. Okay. Now let's see then. Oh yeah, the whole point of buying our turnips is so you can turn around and sell at a profit. Grandma always says something about him turning up a profit. I don't exactly get it. Anyway, you know Timmy, right? He's always in the market for buying when it comes for you to be selling. Should I keep going? Okay, this is a real important part, so I'm going to try my best to explain it carefully. You don't want to buy these turnips and keep them for too long. They'll rot after 1 week. So if you buy some from me on a Sunday, you gotta remember to sell them before the next Sunday. Grandma always says there's nothing worse than a tent full of rotten turnips, but it ain't true. Losing all those hard-earned bills you spent on them is worse. Okay, that's the whole speech. So right now, that's a lot. Do I go for it? I'm gonna buy some. Buy the max? Oh. No! Oh, you changed it. No! I didn't change my mind. I'll buy... I don't know. I don't want to spend... There's a lot for turnips, too. I've never done anything with turnips anyways. I'll buy 100. It's gonna be a lot of money, but I hope I know what I'm doing. So 101 bells. I need to get at least higher than 101 bells. Okay, I guess, about these turnips, I can still get something out of them. Because even though turnips still rot, there is these. No, not grab 10. No, not eat 10. I can't put them in storage? Why? You know what? Here's what I'll do. I guess I'll grab 10. Now I'm gonna drop them on the floor like this. And hope that I don't forget about them. Even if they do go bad, you can still get something out of it because, there's a couple bugs that actually go after rotten fruits. And it just so happens that turnips is one of those fruits. So, vegetables or whatever. Let's go ahead and head over to an island. Hopefully this island will be, special. Oh, there's, Tammy. Actually, hold on. I wanna fly. Use McNuckmouse ticket. Alright, come on. Nah. Oh, what is this island? It's probably just... I don't know the time I need to catch this fish. Oh, I forgot to turn this into... Alright, so last night my fishing rod broke. And I guess I forgot to turn this back into an actual good fishing rod. Come on. It's not anything. I thought that was something. Nothing special here anyways. I'm at least looking around the sides for like a message in a bottle or something. What are you? Oh, you're just a bass. I also learned that, you can tell when it's a special fish or a big fish if the controller vibrates very hard. Just a horse mackerel. I guess I can try and get some wood and some iron and stuff. No, stop it. Hit the rock. No! Hit the rock! Why? I'm not pushing down at all. You know what? This rock's a lost cause. Yep. I guess I can turn my fishing rod into an actual good fishing rod anyways. This. else that's flimsy? Fishing rod, stone axe. Nope. Alright. I guess let's go to the middle. Oh my, whoa! That's a lot of iron. Now, does this still count as like a river or something? I don't know if this counts as a river or a lake. I think it counts as a river. Oh! Are you supposed to catch the fish before you can it? The can could be repurposed. I've got an idea for a DIY recipe. Ah, it's a lounge. I thought it was something special. Oh, wait. You're an okay size. Oh, and you're just a boot. I could probably wear these if I find another boot, right? Oh, okay. No, don't wear boots. You fish up from a lake. That's gross. And then, like, what if you fish up like a right boot, and then you fish up another right boot? You can't wear them then. Sadly, I think that's something Phantom would do, actually. Fish up two boots and then try and wear them. That's gross. Oh, another mantis. Actually, I want to see. The thing is, I need more white, I need more white flowers around my town. So then I can have more chances to find orchid mantis. Or orchid manti, or however you say it. We don't have mantis. We don't have any of those in my world. We have Lorantis, but we don't have mantis. I'm now looking at all the white flowers. Hoping one of them is going to be a orchid mantis. I already have a ladybug. Alright, I think I'm gonna head back home. So, let's go back home. Right at home. Yep. Damn Oh! You ever have a hard time putting your foot down about something? If someone won't listen to what you're saying, you gotta have this right you gotta have the right reaction ready, like this. No, nothing to do with it. Oh! And just like that, you've hit them with disagreement. You gotta stand your ground sometimes, you heard? Oh, no, 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 no! No. I'm sorry, Tammy, but no. She disagreed with me. Now I'm just looking at all the white flowers, to be honest. Is Peck home? Peck! Oh, I thought he was. I'm having fun somewhere else. Alright. So, apparently, the only bugs I'm missing that can be currently found in March are the orchid mantis, the fly, and an ant. Biff. I think I've had Biff before. I was figuring out what kind of protein shit. Okay, it's just leaf. He taught me how to make a leaf. Okay. What does this leaf look like? I would understand if it looks like... Oh, whoops. Yeah, after this video is done, I gotta start doing some weeding, because look at this. This is a little out of control. Weeds don't come back if you don't play for a while, right? Like, do they stay gone in this game? I don't know. And I don't want to find out. Here's Phantom's house. I can tell he hasn't done anything yet because there's no like DIY table outside or anything. I thought that was an orchid mantis. I'm now just looking at all the white flowers. I'm also looking for fossils too, so that's a bonus. Oh, I guess I can also put my can and my boot in front of my house too. Because those also attract flies. And someone is stomping above my room. Someone doesn't know how to walk without making so much noise. Alright, let's hope that doesn't make a mess or anything. Dodo Airlines. Just wanted to thank you for flying Dodo Airlines. We know you don't have a lot of options, but thanks for choosing us all the same. We hope you enjoy this bit of custom DAL merch. Nifty, right? Your pals at Dodo Airlines. And then Happy Home Academy. Rank B. Alright, nice. I think this is Dodo Airlines. Dal T. Ooh, it looks adorable. And this is Happy Home Academy. HHA Pennant. Alright, What is this? Hang on wall. Ooh, it's a wall item. Right here, just so that we can see it, and I'll find a place for it soon. I actually really like that. That looks nice. I'm just gonna put this in storage. Same thing with this and this. Alright, so I'm gonna end this off here. So, tomorrow on Animal Crossing New Horizons, I'm gonna try and fish up some new fish, look for some new fossils, hang out with my other villagers, and I'm gonna try and get Mabel to build a shop here. So, see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.